Okay, so number 13, now we're going to be going from grams to moles or moles to grams. This time we're not going to use Avogadro's number. I will repeat this, we will not use Avogadro's number. This time we're going to use the molar mass. So for number 13, it's telling us how many moles are in 1.2 times 10 to the third grams of ammonia. So here for 13, your given is going to be 1.2 times 10 to the third grams of NH3. And your little heart will desire the amount of moles of ammonia present in that amount of grams. Now don't get confused with the scientific notation. If you want to put it in standard notation, you just got to move the decimal. How many times? Well, depends. Here, it's +3, so that means we're going to go to the right 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You replace the decimal and you add zeros. So that means that the standard notation for this number is going to be 1,200 grams. Okay, so don't get all confused. All right, so we're going to go from grams to moles. Because in this situation right here, we said we're going to go from grams to moles. That means we're going this direction right here. That means we have to do what? Divide by the molar mass. Okay, so now what we gotta do, so I can get centered, okay? First, I would suggest to find the molar mass. And the molar mass of the substance here would be ammonia, NH3. So then what you gotta do is you separate the atoms, N and H, subscripts 1 and 3, determine the mass of each, 14 and 1, multiply 14.0 and 3.0, you add them up, you end up with 17.0 grams per mole. Okay? So once you found your conversion factor, because this is going to be your conversion factor. You're not used to looking at it like this, but this is the way it should be, so that you don't get confused. So those 17 grams of ammonia, those will be equal to 1 mole of ammonia. So that's how your conversion factor will be. Now what we gotta do is we gotta put it all together. So let's make our dimensional analysis line, which is amazing. You're gonna start off with your given. Here it's gonna be, what do we say, 1,200 grams of ammonia. And here we're gonna use this so that we can convert to moles. So grams of ammonia, what are you gonna put down here? Well, we're gonna match up these units. So that means that the 17 is gonna go down here. And on the flip side, you're gonna have your 1 mole of ammonia. So now what's gonna happen is you're gonna cancel these units and you're gonna end up with 12,000 divided by 17, which is approximately 70.6 moles of ammonia.